Hi, this is Jerome Pepin. In this video, we'll go over the AMY purchase order system. In order to properly track work against a work order, part and equipment consumption is a critical piece of the puzzle. For this reason, inventory management is a key system within AMY, while our purchase order system is how you feed the inventory system over time. AMY's purchase order system is super easy to use, and the benefits of using the PO system are enormous. So, let's get started. Let's go to our purchase order list where you can see prior POs, hit the Actions menu, and add a new purchase order. Let's go ahead and create a purchase order for WBParts. Let's add our first part. This will be an item that we don't have in our inventory currently. When I add a new part, I like to get a nice and accurate part description. Sometimes this takes a moment or two. This is the Piper reference for an AN3-10. It's not really a part number, it's their reference number, but we can search against all these fields, so it's a good idea to add it now. Let's add the order quantity, unit price, and your sell price for this item. Let's get started on the second item. This will be a part number that is currently in your inventory. This is a really useful feature. AMY is showing you the last cost and the last sell price. Instructions to your vendor can go here. Some people like to use the Grammarly Chrome plugin to help catch spelling errors and other English language problems that they may have within their typed text. Notes to your receiving department can be placed in this field. Let's go ahead and update this purchase order, and we'll move it from a pending to an issued status. Let's preview this purchase order, and then we'll send it on out to the vendor. AMY provides a really nice timeline for most of the events that occur within the software to let you know who did what, when. It's really great. Once a PO has been issued, you still have the ability to go in and make modifications. You may need to edit lines or add or delete lines, so the system is very flexible in that way. Receiving inventory is super easy, and there's quite a bit of information that you can save relative to your part that will be useful when you use this part within a work order. Notice how you have the ability to add weight and weight unit of measure. You need to check out our weight and balance system. It's really unbelievable. So let's quickly receive the second part, and I'll show you a couple of other things. You can record lot number, serial number, location. We manage expiration dates for you. You can add the manufacturer. We already talked about weight and balance, but this is a really cool part where I can scan in documents and associate it with the part. Manufacturing CFCs, 8130s, teardown reports, whatever you need to associate with the part, you can upload. A lot of folks will print off the receiving distribution report and include it with the part and throw it on the shelf together. And obviously the stocking labels are fantastic for allowing you to use barcoding capabilities within the AMY system. Here's the record of the scanned document that I uploaded with my received part. I'll now use the search wizard and go check out that part that I just added to my inventory. So we've created our purchase order, added a couple of parts to it, issued it to our vendor, and then went on to receive those two parts. And now, once within the inventory system, I have the full capabilities of that module to do whatever I need to do. This concludes our tour of the AMY purchase order system. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.